40 million. This is the number of people suffering from undernourishment in Bangladesh. 80% lower income people here cannot afford a nutritious meal. Their regular food menu consists of rice, dal, and one curry. Soup and noodles to them are seen as luxurious and unaffordable products. That's why we bring in our project, Nourish. The target of the project will be to improve the health and well-being of 10 million people in Bangladesh by 2020. How? Without changing their food habits, enhancing their daily staple meals with Unilever's Knorr, making it tastier and nutritious. So our big idea is Knorr Dal Mishali, the first ever fortified taste enhancer of dal. Why dal? Dal is the second most popular food taken 3 times regularly by 85% people all over Bangladesh. The Knorr Dal Mishali will make the dal tastier with different flavors. The core ingredients will be locally available from 7 prime vegetables that add vitamin A, zinc, iron, and iodine. It costs 5 taka, comes in sachet packs containing 10 grams, fulfilling nutrition requirements.
Now that we have our big idea, who are our major consumers? Although the beneficiaries of Knorr Dal Mishali are people from all age groups, our primary target group are the rural mothers aged 20 to 50 years who directly impact the food preparation and the nutrition flow in the family. We have designed an inclusive 360-degree marketing campaign for Knorr Dal Mishali that incorporates all the touch points of both the consumers and our distributors. The first phase is the launching of the activation campaign. On October 16, the World Food Day, we are going to initiate a month-long activation campaign, Plate Keno Thakbe Khali Jokhon Ache Dal Mishali. We are going to set up Knorr touch points in the fields of major union schools in 5 districts on the first day. Here, we are going to invite the school kids and their mothers and provide a complete free meal of rice, egg and dal made with Knorr Dal Mishali. Then we are going to show them how our products are cooked in a projector and also provide free samples. In this way, our target is to cover 500 schools in 64 districts in the span of 30 days. The second phase is idea dissemination and interest. Here, we are going to arrange Uthan Boitok in the rural areas with the help of our existing supporting Unilever channels such as Pollidut Oporajita. In these Uthan Boitok, Shasthakormis will be advocating for our project and our message will be delivered to Nokul Kumar Bishwash songs. The Polliduts will discuss the nutrition requirements of the families and exchange ideas about Knorr products. Along with these, we are going to conduct a range of promotional activities like providing school khata with Knorr and nutrition charts imprinted, school van gari painted with Knorr colors, pond cloth hangers branding. Along with that, we are going to print Knorr logos on matchboxes which will be circulated in all households and act as a nutrition reminder 3 times a day before cooking. The third phase is consumer engagement and action. For our revolutionary product, our brand ambassador Opu Bishwash will make actual house visits in different divisions through our TV show Ami Opu Bishwash Apnar Ranna Ghore and select Shera Radhuni by tasting dishes prepared by rural women and give them exciting prizes.
Now let's face it, if we don't push our product to the retailers, distributors and point of sales marketing, we're not going to be successful. Now we will provide the free merchandise items which they can regularly use, such as free notepads and bazaar bags designed with Knorr Dal Mishali brand elements. Now the retailers love their families and their families also need to love our product. That's why we're gonna put their family photo in their name board of their own retail shops. And this is gonna enhance the likability in our real target market.
At the last part of our project Nourish, this project is replicable and scalable in any other South Asian countries such as India, Pakistan or Nepal, where people regularly eat staple food dal and also have nutrition deficiencies in the lower income segment.
কুলসুমের মা আজকে ডালটা তো বেশ মজা লাগে
আজকে ডাল মিশালি মিলাইছে যে
Oral care, hygiene and skin care. All these problems have been taken care of. So why not improve their daily nutrition habits now with our product Dal Mishali?
প্লেট কেন থাকবে খালি যখন আছে ডাল মিশালি?